our flight. And Janabal is getting tired. For today's video, we don't have ganap. This is my friend who, and we're here at
Municipality of Mera.
Mina and Twice. Gaano kayaman si Mina? Kasi may lugar siya. 50. Or saan ba? So we're going to walk. Walk actually walk. Walk. Wait a minute. Oh, ito ba? So guys, mamaya na tayo kasi tinatamad pa ako mag-vlog. So, lalabas ulit ang mga person because we're going to buy ay ulam namin. Kasi magla-lunch kami later. That's why. Ha? Ako muli. Makakapasuat ko ito. Sigus. Abi ko yung bakal napli. Abi ko malo. Pride. Ay, may pride. Kaya tanya. Buwa ko yun. May sino? Babalik na naman kami kung saan kami nag-move. So, ngayon guys, bibili kami ng ulam and this is our 6 days of OG tour. Working, just, I don't know. Pabalik-balik kami, pabalik-balik ako and Hatupod ng Mina. So guys, dito po yung daanan namin papunta sa bibilhan naming manok. Always a chicken. Always a chicken. Sabi nga nila, manok is the best. Kuya ko na sa punta, manggod pa. May kumaan. Pay, may mga dapli man to, pay. Go na. Lights, camera, action. Bago pa lang. So, saan tayo pumunta? Punta ka ba? Sunod na lang. Nagbalikala ka para lang bayan. Stop siya ko vlog. So, so guys, we're going to to the corner. We're going to We're going to back. We're going to back. Back. Come back. Come back. We're going to come back because we love each other. But from now, is the ang andiin. So hot in here in the Philippines, but I have some trivia. Here in the Philippines, the temperature of heat is 41 degrees. 51. But walang makakatalo sa hotness ko, guys. So here, we're going to this here. May video na po. So, this is way Public CR. Marunong mag-init. Because wala kami namin.
Alam.
So that's my videographer. Janabel. So we're going back to the corner.
Going back to the corner.
Back to the corner where
So
I
guys, this is the home tour them. No, hindi lang na. Kaya pala. So, again, ito yung daanan na papunta na kami sa
Maingay.
office natin. So, this is lang. Si Bawal, mag-vlog.
Di ah.
Sorry guys, na
Sleepers ka. Saan kayo pupunta? Hi vlog. Ano vlog kami? Ala! Where are you going? I-tour doon na siga. Kamarites.
Marites. Di ba sa piyak na room?
Yeah.
English sa ay doon? Masiga siya guys.
Where can I paste? Bawang.
Okay, babalikan ko na kayo mamaya.
So hi guys, so I'm here at church, which is I'm waiting kay Toto kasi uuwi ako guys, kasi right now ang init kasi outside, kaya tapos wala pa akong dalang tubig, so that's why kailangan ko umuwi. So wait na lang ako dito ng few minutes kasi ang init talaga.